Hey, just want to do a little walk around and talk about the 73 K5 Blazer. This thing was restored here locally by Mark Expert. All they do is K5 Blazers and C10 trucks of this era, and they're really well known for what they do. So walking around this truck, this is a truck they started out with that was a local desert truck, so it was very dry, rust-free truck, but they completely stripped it down, frame off, put the body on rotisserie, and went through everything on it. There's no patches or welds or junky repairs in this thing. You can see in the pictures that they tore the paint, took the paint all the way down to bare metal and just worked it all right. This truck isn't a bunch of aftermarket junk parts. This is all done right. Looking underneath the hood, it's got a 350 crate engine that they had with the ramjet fuel injection on it. They tore it down, did a rebuild on it just to make sure everything was perfect. It's got headers, it's got the cool air filter on it. It's got vintage AC on it. It's got CPP master cylinder and power brakes on it. It's got a new Borgson power steering box in it. Steering's great, but you can see everything, the brake lines are new. Just everything is really done just perfectly. Inside, the wheel wells are all finished nicely. Under, the firewall, under the hood, just everything is right. All the trim is very nicely done and looks good. The grill, the lights, everything's just exactly how this stuff should be. It's got 33-inch tires on it. With stock style wheels on it. There's been some confusion and questions about why it has wheel spacers on it. It's so you can put go over the big brakes on it. It's got Willwood disc brakes on it all the way around, which is a huge upgrade. It's a 4-inch lift, rough country springs, Bilstein gas struts or shocks. The front end was all rebuilt. Super winch hubs on it, but all new bearings and seals in the axles. Coming into the inside, again, you can see how nice the paint inside this door jamb. I mean, this is way nicer than they ever were new, honestly. But the paint inside the door jambs, all new seals. The top seals are all correct. It's got a beautiful one-piece top on it with a roll bar. The interior is nicely done. This might have been missed in some of the photos, but this has stereo down here. And the carpet, this is the one you want. Coming back around, it's got dual exhaust on it. Like I said, maybe the only gripe would be the exhaust is a little loud on it for me, but some guys really like that sound. But again, going back to all the trim, the rear window works great. Most of these do not work good. You can see how nice that one works. Again, the carpet, the fit, the seals, all the hardware was done right. It's all CAD plated, all nice stuff. So any questions, hit us up. We're happy to answer anything for you. If you're interested in R&R representing a car for you as well, use the contact seller button. I know Brain Trailer doesn't offer shipping on this one. We can help arrange the transportation on this car anywhere in the world you want and at a good rate. So thank you very much.